You read the title. I want you to start your Amazon business before 2024. Or if you gave up during the year, I'm asking you, please start again right now. It is the easiest time to actually run an Amazon business. This is the easiest time of the year, all right? This is going to be Q4. This is Q4 already. And a lot of sales are going to start rolling in right now. So whether you're on the verge to start and you actually want to start as a new resolution, you want to start in January 2024, or you gave up on your business, you just gave up during the year, you stopped doing it, or just I don't know, you are hesitating, you do not know what you want to do, this is the time. Today's video is going to be sweet and short, all right? This is just the right time to actually get back to it, get back to your business, or just start now, because Q1, okay, first quarter, once all this is done, it starts to get harder again, all right? And it's going to suck for a couple of weeks, for a couple of months after we're done with Q4. But right now is actually the easiest time to run your Amazon business, to start, because there's going to be, as I said, there's going to be a ton of sales. Sales are already starting to roll in, all right? So there's going to be a lot of sales. You know, the big one, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, there's good sales as well, all that stuff. But it's not the only one. Like, there's just so much sales that are going to go right now, and so it's going to be easier. If you started during Q2, Q3 sucked a little bit, I'm not going to lie, with sourcing. No, it was Q2. Q2 sucked a little bit with sourcing, I'm not gonna lie. But if you started, if you haven't been, like, if you've never actually witnessed Q4, it's actually your time to actually get into it. Like, do not wait more time. Start right now. You still have time to actually start figure stuff out before Black Friday comes, so you can buy a shit ton of inventory for cheap and make a lot of money. All right? Do not wait. Start right now. If you lost motivation, get back to it right now. Trust me, get back to it for 1 month and a half, 6 weeks, and you're gonna see you can change your life in those 6 weeks. All right? Wait for the good sales. The good sales are gonna come. All right? You're gonna be able to find a lot of inventory for cheap. This is really, like, this time that we are in right now, Q4, is basically for online arbitrage. It's online arbitrage on easy mode, all right? Q3 is intermediate. Q2 sucks, all right? It's hard. Q2 is hard. It's way harder because a lot of product tanks, stuff like that. But like Q4, not only the sales volume is going to pick up, all right? The sales volume is going to pick up. And I know I did not even make any intro because, like, I wanted to make sure that you guys, I wanted to go straight to the point. All right, to make sure that if you gave up on your business, you actually get back to it. If you are hesitating about starting, you go back to, like, you actually start right now. All right. During Q4, the sales volume increase, and the number, like, so the traffic on Amazon is going to increase, and your sales are going to speed up. All right, and this is why it's the easiest time of the month, because since the sales are speeding up, prices are going up, and so it's way harder to have a product tanking. All right, so that's the first thing. Second thing, you're going to have a lot of sales on a lot of websites. All right, all the websites that you know, Nike, Adidas, Kohl's, I don't know, what other website could it be? Like Best Buys, Ulta, Target, Walmart, all those websites are going to start having crazy sales. Check your emails every single day because sales are coming. Profit is around the corner. Just stay courageous, all right? Just keep your head down. Start working right now. Even if it is still time to start, right? Do not wait. As I said, do not wait for January to start your business because the best time of the year is going to be now. So if you put in work for the whole year, you figure out how to source, you already have a head start. But it's not too late, all right? Watch my playlist, my videos on sourcing, watch them all. Learn how to source, learn how to find out product, learn how to actually find product. And it's the best time of the year. Once again, it's the best time of the year. You're going to find a lot of sales. Super easy to spend money, all right? Even a dummy could find products. Because I'm telling you, January is going to come in no time and you're going to see how it sucks. Like during January, February, when there's almost no sale, like with all the sales that you were able to find, you're going to think that this business is easy. So since it's so easy to make money during Q4, you're going to, like, you're not going to believe your eyes how easy it is. And so then January, February is going to come and it's going to suck for a little while, all right? Until March, April, when things are going to pick up a little bit, but it's still going to suck if you are not good at sourcing. But you can literally suck at sourcing right now and find a lot of profit. Just do manual sourcing and just scan sales and you're going to find a lot of shit, all right? Give up on storefront stalking for a little, just look at sales, because a lot of sales are going to come right now. Give up on storefront stalking, because you're not going to be able to find the product that are in storefronts. This is not where the best opportunities are going to be this time of the year. The best opportunities are going to be with manual sourcing and with looking on sales at stuff that is on sale on websites. All right, so start your business right now. All right, do not wait. If you gave up, get back to it. And I know a few of you guys that, I don't know if you are still watching my videos, but if you gave up, it's the right time of the year to come back. All right, and even if you just want to run your online arbitrage business during Q4, do this. Even if you want to stop in January, but right now is the time where you can actually start making money. All right, so do not give up. I mean, if you gave up, get back to it, as I said. And yeah, it can be a little bit hard if you've never sourced, but like if you want to start right now, it's the best time to start and to learn, because you can run this business in easy mode. All right, and when it comes January, do not give up. You need to get better, and you'll be able to make more money for the whole year. But start right now. This is the best time of the year to start. All right, so hope this video was helpful. I do not even say all the links. Just watch the description, read the description if you want some stuff from me. There's some free stuff, then there's some paid stuff that can help you with your Amazon business. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Watch these other videos on the screen, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you tomorrow.